Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your RAR and zip files by packing your files into RAR and zip archives. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our RAR app, which we've shown how to download in our other video. Now let's move to the folder that contains the files that we're gonna pack, and mine is located in the CIM and then camera. Here's the 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack. So now select each file that you want to pack. Click on this plus button. Now you'll be able to change archiving options. So here you can pick a name for this archive. Let's call it pictures. Next, change extension for this archive. You can pick RAR zip or RAR 4.x. You can also set up the password for this archive. I'm gonna use one. Let's go with 123. You can click on show password if you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, and encrypt file names as well. Let's click OK to save that. Here you can enable or disable to delete files after archiving or create solid archives. If you move to advanced, there will be more advanced settings. In the options, there's more options, and in the comment you can leave any comment about this archive. After everything is set, click OK. And that way you'll create a RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.